Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust battery configuration in BIOS on Dell 6320 Detachable. You can change the battery configuration to adjust some charging and battery usage settings by going to BIOS. So if you don't know how to enter the BIOS, there is a video on our channel on how to enter BIOS on Dell 6320 Detachable. And after that's done, just go into Power. And in battery configuration, you can set it to adaptive, standard, express charge, primarily AC use, or custom. So you can just choose the one depending on your needs. For example, if you are usually just plugged into the power, then you may want to choose this option, or you may want to choose another one. So express charge will charge your battery faster, adaptive will adjust these settings adaptively, custom will allow you to change custom charge start and custom charge stop to select when the battery starts and stops charging. I'm gonna set it to express charge, and this is your battery configuration. You can also go down to adjust the advanced configuration. So for each day of the week when this option is enabled, you will be able to change when the battery is being charged. So the start and start hours and the work period for each day. And you can also go down to set up a peak shift, which may also come in handy. Then you can go down to change the thermal management and other settings. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.